Hello and welcome to Oldware. Today I switched using from just a regular low quality camera to using a 1080p camera on iPhone 4. I hope you like quality difference. And right here I have a box. Inside this box, you might not know, it's something I think is a little bit cool, but I still don't have a lot of information about it. It is a Royal portable typewriter. All the keys work. Bell kind of works. Sometimes when you're typing it doesn't go off. Like, here, I'll try showing you with the space bar. Like, oh, went up that time. Last time I tried it didn't go off. And you may be wondering, if you're looking at the keyboard, there's a certain key missing that's usually on keyboards, and that key is supposed to be would be right over here, but it isn't. It's a 1, and that because you don't really need a 1 key. You can either use the L or the I, and with the L you'd use lowercase, I you'd use uppercase. I think this typewriter is pretty cool, and actually there's something even cooler about it. You can still modernly type on it. The actual the ribbons it uses for the ink are still made today. Oh, forgot. Need to back up the little thing. There. Here. Ribbon cable's still used. I mean, not ribbon cable, just ribbon. Ribbon cables are outdated cables for computers. And if you think that you have a mechanical keyboard and it's like for gaming on a computer, well, I have a better mechanical keyboard. It's completely mechanical. Oh yeah, caps lock. Shift key brings up the thing because there's double stamps, and caps lock basically locks under a little piece of metal. That's all. Just hooks under a little piece of metal. And you also might be wondering, why do I keep it in this? Why do I keep it in the case when I'm messing with it? Well, there's a reason for that. It is, whenever I type, old pieces of dried out ink and whatever fall out of it. So I keep it in here so it all just collects into the thing and not into like a table that I'm using, like this. Well, that's it for today with this. Like, subscribe. If you dislike, you know where the button is. This is Oldware. Goodbye.